Arteries are thick-walled tubes that transport blood from the heart to the lungs and all parts of the body. Veins transport blood from all parts of the body to the heart. Their walls are less muscular than those of arteries. Contraction of muscles around the veins pushes blood toward the heart, and valves in the veins prevent backflow. Capillaries are tiny tubes that connect arteries and veins. Their thin walls allow for the exchange of materials between the blood and the cells. Their small size slows down blood flow, which allows time for exchange of materials. Capillaries are so small that red blood cells squeeze through them in single file. This motion shows capillaries in a goldfish tail. Blood consists of a fluid, the plasma, in which are suspended red blood cells, white blood cells, and cell fragments called platelets. Red blood cells' major role is the transport of oxygen. White blood cells help defend the body against disease-causing agents such as bacteria and viruses. Some white blood cells work by eating disease-causing organisms. This white cell is eating a yeast cell. Platelets play an important role in forming clots. Clots prevent excessive blood loss from a wound. The human heart consists of 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are called atria. The lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. Valves between the atria and ventricles and between the ventricles and the main arteries keep the blood flowing in one direction through the heart. The right atrium receives blood from the body. It then contracts, forcing the blood into the right ventricle. The right ventricle contracts, forcing blood into the pulmonary artery. In the lungs, carbon dioxide leaves the blood and oxygen enters. This oxygen-rich blood enters the pulmonary vein, which carries it to the left atrium. The atrium contracts, forcing blood into the left ventricle. When the ventricle contracts, blood is forced into the aorta, the large artery that leaves the heart. The aorta branches into several arteries that carry oxygen-rich blood to all parts of the body. The 2 sides of the heart thus form 2 separate pumps. These 2 pumps are synchronized so that they contract at the same time.